Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Tinalo ng Philadelphia 76ers ang Toronto Raptors 114-99. Top performer si Joel Embiid sa kanyang 28 points, 13 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 block. Scottie Barnes ng Toronto Raptors 24 points, 8 rebounds, 8 assists. Panalo naman ang New Orleans Pelicans kontra sa Detroit Pistons 125-116. Jonas Valanciunas 23 points, 13 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 blocks. Cade Cunningham 22 points, 2 rebounds, 11 assists, 1 steal. Wagi naman ang Orlando Magic kontra sa Utah Jazz 115-113. Umakot ng 30 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists, 3 steals, 2 blocks si Paolo Banchero. Habang nagtala naman ng 20 points, 10 rebounds, 1 block si John Collins ng Jazz. Tinalo naman ng Spurs sa pangalawang pagkakataon ng Phoenix Suns 132-121. Pinangunahan ni Victor Wembanyama ang Spurs sa kanyang 38 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. Devin Booker ng Phoenix Suns 31 points, 9 rebounds, 13 assists. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 4, 2023 para sa play-in season tournament. Maglalaban ng Cleveland Cavaliers at Indiana Pacers alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang New York Knicks at Milwaukee Bucks alas 7:30 ng umaga. Para naman sa alas 8 ng umaga, maglalaban ang Washington Wizards at Miami Heat. Kakaharapin naman ng Brooklyn Nets ang Chicago Bulls. Kakalabanin naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Oklahoma City Thunder. Magtotoast naman ng Dallas Mavericks at Denver Nuggets alas 10 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ng Memphis Grizzlies at Portland Trail Blazers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Heto ang team standings as of November 3, 2023. Sa Western Conference, Dallas Mavericks 4 wins 0 loss. Golden State Warriors 4 wins 1 loss. Denver Nuggets 4 wins 1 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 4 wins 1 loss. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins 2 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 3 wins 2 losses. Oklahoma City Thunder 3 wins 2 losses. San Antonio Spurs 3 wins 2 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 2 wins 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 2 wins 2 losses. Phoenix Suns 2 wins 3 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 2 wins 3 losses. Utah Jazz 2 wins 4 losses. Houston Rockets 1 win 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 0 win 5 losses. Para naman sa Eastern Conference, Boston Celtics 4 wins 0 loss. Philadelphia 76ers 3 wins 1 loss. Atlanta Hawks 3 wins 2 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins 2 losses. Indiana Pacers 2 wins 2 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 2 wins 2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 2 wins 2 losses. New York Knicks 2 wins 3 losses. Cleveland Cavaliers 2 wins 3 losses. Chicago Bulls 2 wins 3 losses. Toronto Raptors 2 wins 4 losses. Detroit Pistons 2 wins 4 losses. Charlotte Hornets 1 win 3 losses. Washington Wizards 1 win 3 losses. Miami Heat 1 win 4 losses. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.